Looking at these two Freezimer ice makers side by side, this one is the Pebble Ice, and then this one is the Bola Ice. Now the sizes are very similar. I think the Pebble Ice is slightly bigger, but they basically do the same thing, just different styles of ice. The display on the Pebble Ice is much more simple than the display for the Bola Ice. The Bola Ice, you do have the option to change the size of the ice, and so there is a little bit more going on, but that's the main difference. Both of these Freezimer ice makers were sent to me so I could make this video, and they're both really great ice makers. I'd like to talk about the different styles and why you might like one version over the other. So first, let's talk about the Bola Ice. The way that works is it has these metal rods that go into the water. They get really cold, they freeze the water around it, and then the ice comes off of the rod, and there's a mechanism that pushes it into the basket. So you end up with these nice ice cubes that you can put in bottles of water or a cup, just like with any other style of ice. The Nugget or Pebble Ice freezes in a way where it kind of freezes a stick of water and it pushes it up and then it breaks it off, and then you end up with these small chunks of ice. To me, the main advantage of the bullet style of ice is that you can put it into any container you want. You can even put it into water bottles. That makes it really versatile. You can use it for sports drink, thermoses, cups, whatever. So it works really well for however you drink water or whatever your drink of choice is. Bola Ice also cools the drink down really fast because it has that indentation, so the liquid goes inside and outside, lots of surface area to get cold quick, but that also means it tends to melt a little bit faster as well. The main advantage with Nugget Ice is that it is so small, there's not a lot of air pockets in your cup. So when you pour the liquid in, you don't pour as much liquid, but whatever liquid you put in, it's instantly cold. This is really great if you're ready to drink right when you put the liquid in. But for social settings where you just want to set a drink down, it is going to water down your drink. Of course, if your drink is water, then this isn't a problem. But if you have some other beverage, just be aware that it's going to water it down pretty quick. These are both fantastic ice makers. I'm really impressed with them. I like how big they are. They store a lot of ice. They're really easy to use. I hope this video helped. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.